How to pair your Bluetooth headphones with your Wear OS watch. In case you didn't already know, it's possible to pair Bluetooth headphones with your Wear OS watch. This is perfect for taking calls or listening to music because no one wants to listen to music coming out of that little speaker. Follow the steps below and your favorite Bluetooth headphones will be paired with your watch in no time. 1. Initiate pairing on your Bluetooth headphones. 2. Swipe down the quick toggle panel on your Wear OS watch. 3. Tap on the settings cog. 4. Scroll down and tap on connectivity. 5. Choose Bluetooth. 6. Scroll down until you locate your headphones and tap on them. It's as easy as that. If you don't see your headphones listed, try pressing the Scan for Nearby Devices button and initiate pairing on the headphones again.